I'm going to show you how to make these petals on the flower look more three-dimensional using some modeling tools and some carving tools. So both these are wooden tools or modeling tools, and this is a rounded carving tool. First, I'm going to take the round carving tool and I'm going to put it at the bottom center of the petal. I'm making a big indentation closer to where the center of the flower is, and then I'm lifting up as I get towards the outside of the petal, so it makes almost a teardrop shape. Now, just by doing this, it gives it a lot of shape. Next, I'm going to take my modeling tool, and I'm just going to make that shape even more pronounced. Just pressing and pulling, giving it some more dimension, some more movement. We don't want our petals to be flat. We want our sculptures to be rounded. We want them to look realistic. Changing direction. Now I accidentally made a little divot on the end, so I'm just taking my modeling tool and I'm compressing the clay around the edges, smoothing it out again. All right, I want the edges of the petals to look like they're curving down away from me. So I'm just gently using the edge of the modeling tool to push down the corners so they're not so square on the edges, more rounded. Just kind of brushing it with the wooden tool. Then going around the outside edge to clean up any of the little divots I made. This is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about good craftsmanship. You're working on one little piece, maybe over and over, until you get it to look really, really nice. Smooth, you have a changing shape, one that looks to have movement. All right, now this connection needs to be cleaned up. So I'm going along both edges of the flower. I want this the petal that's currently on the top on the right-hand side to look like it's on top of the one below. So I'm going to connect all the way to the edge so that they're perpendicular. I'm really cleaning out that area, and I'm going to end with this connection under the top petal with an undercut. Now it looks like that petal is actually on top of the other one. Now we're going to make it look like the petals are connecting right into the center of the flower. I'm doing a slight undercut. And then I'm going to go from where the petal would connect to the center. Just go straight in there to make it look like it actually does connect. Once again, just making all these little details more and more pronounced with each little thing that we do. And do it on the other one. Sorry for the blurriness. I just have my phone set up on something random here. Right now I'm just changing the angle of my tool and using it in different ways. You can use any sort of a pointed tool. This is just a dental tool or a wax carving tool. It's got a little bit of a neck to it, a little curve or bend in the top.